Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to Decenstitch. If you're a new subscriber or returning subscriber, you're welcome. Please kindly like, share, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you. How to apply your stud on your fabric. We're going to be using the iron for this. You have to put a paper underneath or a cardboard. I have to peel off the back covering of this motif. Then place it where I want it on my fabric. Please align it well. If it's going to be at the center, make sure you put it at the center. Then gum it on the fabric. My iron is hot and ready. I'm going to be using my Teflon paper to protect the fabric. I'm going to place it on top of that. Then place the iron on it. The stud doesn't need much heat. Remember, this is not stone. The stud, the time required for the stud is shorter than that of stone. The time required to place the stone also differs depending on the size. If you're working with a small stone like SS10, it will take a shorter time, but with a bigger stone like SS16, SS20, you will need a little more time. So that's the difference between the time of application. I'm going to leave the iron for about 6 seconds, very short time. Doesn't need much heat. I'm going to leave it to cool. You can't just peel it off for the glue to dry, so you have to leave it to cool down before you peel the transfer sheet off. Now I'm going to move over to the stone. This one is a stone motif. You can always adjust your stone with your picker. If it's not, facing the proper way it's supposed to face, probably the glue is turned upside down, or maybe a little out of space, a little out of place. Sorry, you can adjust with your tweezer or your picker. Remember to put paper in between or cardboard in between. In this case, I need to iron this fabric. It's not smooth enough for me, so I need to smoothen it out. Now I'm placing my motif here. I'm going to press it down. The next thing, I'm going to place my Teflon paper to protect my fabric, then place my iron on it for some seconds. Remember to apply pressure. Don't just place the iron, press it down a little bit. You need to practice at home to know how long you're going to leave your iron, but this will always protect your fabric. Remember the Teflon, I think I did mention that earlier in the intro. The Teflon is reusable. You can use it for as long as you want. It's reusable. Then when you buy it, you cut it to the size that your iron can take. I'm ready to peel this now. When you are peeling and some are attached on the transfer sheet, then you have to return it back and apply a little more heat, but it doesn't need much heat at all. 4 to 6 seconds is okay. This is our final results. This is the back, the inside of the fabric. This is the front. For this, is cool enough. I will also peel the transfer sheet off. If some of the stones are on this transfer sheet, you can return it back and apply the heat. This is Barbie Girl. I've had this design for a long time, for years, so some of the stones might be a bit out of place, but it's still looking so beautiful. After applying your stone, for the stone, you remove your paper, then you turn your clothes or the fabric to the back, but if it's an outfit, you turn it inside out, return your paper. I like to do this last process to make sure my stones stay long. Apply a little heat to the back to make the stones stick very well. In case it's not properly placed, it melts the glue into the fabric well. Just a little time, just a little. It makes it, as you can see, it's showing the glue, the melted glue. You don't need much heat, just a little. This is Barbie Girl.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please kindly like, share, comment, subscribe if you're new here, and click the notification bell. Thank you.